connect the handpiece to the machine. This is water containing water, and put water in it. Then connect this tube to here. This is waste water bottle, and you can see there is water in, so you connect here. Here is water in. This is water out. Connect the water out. This is the oxygen spray handle. Connect to here. Here is a 100 pair handpiece. Connect to. Start. Turn on the machine. The machine have sound. This is normally. Firstly, you can use the magnet demonstration handle. This handle is connected here. Adjust. You can see it have some vacuum. You can adjust the vacuum here. If you want to change another handle, turn off this handle, and then this handle is to the 100 pair handle. Can adjust the water level here. If you think the water is small, you can adjust to max. And then if you want to change another handle, like oxygen spring handle, this one, if you don't use, be careful, if you don't use the oxygen 100 pair handpiece, you can close this valve to don't let the water out. Now the water will not out, and you can change another handle piece. For example, oxygen spray handle. Put some water into this bottle. You can see the water is in it. Close it, and turn on the handpiece. Do like this. Have some. If you think the water is small, you can adjust here.